Here I lie in my darkest hour. I don't know where to go. I have tried almost everything, still there's no peace in my soul. But I've heard about a Savior whose name is Jesus Christ, and I'm told that all I do is believe him and say, yes, Lord, here's my life. Now I don't know how to talk to God, no, I don't know what to say, but somehow I know that you understand me and you love me anyway. Though my life has been so empty and there's not much strength you see, I will give what's left to you willingly and say yes to your will for me. Oh, say yes, say yes, say yes.